Hey, good morning guys. Jose here with Aurum Roofing again. We are out in Pflugerville. We are repairing some soffit today. You see right there, you can see the little holes in the soffit right there. And what we're doing is we're replacing this board. But the reason why I'm recording this, and I want to show you something that we see every single day, and this is what just bugs me. So, okay. Example, the soffit right there, that vent that you see, it's very hard to see, but right there. Okay, so just a question. If insulation is overblown right here, if the insulation is right here, do you think that that insulation is going to be the same around that vent? Well, more than likely it is, although it shouldn't be, because this insulation, what it's doing, it's covering the soffit vents. So now what your house has is a hot attic because it doesn't have any intake air coming into your house. So that is very common for builders to do, is they overblow the soffit vents and they cover them up with insulation. And in the middle of the summer, we get phone calls every day that, hey, my attic is hot, what can I do? Well, start by using a leaf rake and rake your soffits back, push this insulation back into your attic and open these vents. Those vents there allow air to go inside, and that will cool your attic down a lot. You can visit our website, aurumroofing.com, and we explain more on this topic, and we also give more attic cooling tips that you could do for free without having to pay anybody. But this is a perfect example, and this is one tip that we talk about on that blog on our website that you should go and read, because if you think that this is helpful and it's something good to know, then you will love what else we have to say and other tips that will cool your attic down. So yeah, that's what I wanted to show you, and hope this helps, and yeah, see you guys on the next one.